Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Now I am going to discuss the exercise of the chapter 6. First, choose the correct answer. Which of the following have thin walls? Auricles, ventricles, lymph nodes, none of this. Answer will be ventricles. Which of the following are the lower chambers of the heart? Lower chamber of the hearts, these are ventricles. Next, the vein which brings deoxygenated blood from the posterior part of the body is the inferior vena cava. The main artery that emerges from the left ventricle of the heart is the aorta. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? That is AB blood group. Blood group A has antigen A and antibody B. Which of the following is a fluid that contains infection fighting white blood cells? Lymph. Fill in the blanks. The dash fluid protects the heart from the shocks and jerks during the contraction. Pericardial fluid. The dash is present between the left auricle and left ventricle. Answer will be bicuspid valves. Oxygenated blood is found in the left side of the heart. The dash are large veins which carry deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. The dash are large vein, pulmonary arteries. The largest artery in the body is aorta. The stretching and relaxing of arteries with each heartbeat felt as throbbing is called pulse. Next, define the following terms. You will just learn the definition from the book. Then, true false. The heart is enclosed by a single membrane called pericardium. Answer will be false, because it is not a single membrane, double membrane layer. The ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. Answer is true. Deoxygenated blood is received by the right auricle. True. The bicuspid valve is present between the right auricle and the right ventricles. False. The circulation of blood between the heart and the other body organ is called systematic circulation. Answer is true. Blood group AB is called the universal donor. False. Next, answer the following in very short. Which side of the heart contains oxygenated blood? The left side of the heart contains oxygenated blood. What prevents the blood flow from in the wrong direction in the heart? Valves prevent the blood from the flowing in the wrong direction. Name the wall separating two auricles, interauricular septum. Write the names of the two major veins. Two major veins, pulmonary arteries, आर्टरी होकर भी भेन का काम करता है, और कोरोनरी भेन. What is the double circulation? To complete the one rotation of the heart, blood move towards into the heart twice. This type of circulation is also known as double circulation. मतलब हार्ट का एक कंप्लीट रोटेशन खत्म करने के लिए ब्लड दोबारा हार्ट में घुसता है. इस सर्कुलेशन को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? डबल सर्कुलेशन. नेम ऑफ द डबल लेयर्ड प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग ऑफ द हार्ट? पेरिकार्डियम. नेम द 4 blood groups in human beings. The main 4 blood groups of the human beings are A, B, AB and O. On what basis are they named? Depending upon the presence of antigen and antibody, they are named. Next, no need to write down the long question answer, and it is not possible to discuss the long question answer. So just leave it. Hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. Once more, you will write down all short questions in your biology copy as a project work. Just write down the short question because I have discussed only short question. So no need to write the long question answer. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ राइट डाउन द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन अप टू शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन. So for today, up to this portion, in the next class, I will start the next chapter.